Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply, and this video is to bring you a closer look at the Bilco number RPRS3465P and hold open arm. This is a slightly less arm only because of the length. It's probably about 3-4 inches longer than the standard arm, and the reason that it is because this is typically seen on a 4-foot deep unit. So they've got 18 7/8. That's the center of the arm, the center line up here down to the point. Okay, piece of steel hold open arm. It's a left hand, and what that means is when you are viewing the roof hatch from the roof, you open it in front of you, it'll be on the left. That's how that is. 1 inch wide, about a 1/4 inch thick, made of steel. Gold color that you see is zinc, is the zinc coating, zinc dichromate is what that is. Okay? It is not likely or as common that you're going to need. You'll generally have a roof hatch that's going to be 36 or 30 deep, where you would use the shorter version of this. The overall length of the track is about 13 3/4. A width about 1 inch. Overall height about 1.13 inches. We measure from the end where it's open is going to occur. Okay. You can check out the location of the screw holes that are here. About 1 5/8, over to about 6 7/8, and finally over to about 12 1/8. Okay. This will have the red vinyl handle and the bolts for securing it. Okay. This, of course, will get mounted to the underside of the lid. It's going to obviously have to go like this. Let's take a look at that. When your hatch is in the open position, this flange will go toward the center of the unit, is how that's going to work. Okay. There is a link below to the installation instructions that will give you an overview of how this is supposed to be installed, or at least give you an idea of what the replacement situation is. Not uncommon to replace these. They do get dented, damaged, broken, removed for a variety of reasons. About 3 1/4 overall width. Center to center on the screw holes appears to be about 2 3/8 or so. Okay. Finally, there is a link video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the products that we sell, but also a link to the manufacturer's website. We get a lot of calls from people that require, of course, replacement parts for their roofware, and the most direct way to determine exactly what it is you need is to have, at a minimum, some photographs of the unit if you can't ascertain the name of the manufacturer. Sometimes there's even a serial number on the sidewall, which is the best way, because then we can contact the manufacturer and have them pull up the bill of materials to tell us exactly what it is that it's built with. And that's the sure way to proceed, knowing which is the right item. Roof hatches, the size, the weight, the composition, all of that is engineered and together so as to come up with a list of the proper hardware used in the location. So be mindful that you want to be sure of what you're ordering before you're ordering it, and if we're not, then together to find out as best we can to eliminate the potential for what products it is that you ultimately need. Any questions on the Bilco? This is their part number RPRS3465P, left hand hold open bracket for a 4-foot deep roof hatch, or any other Bilco product. Please feel free to reach out to us, and thank you.